All right, this here is a Trekker. It's a jump starter and it's a compressor. So you can literally carry this in your backpack, and it's only about 2.5 pounds, and it'll jump your dirt bike if you need it, and it'll also inflate your tires if you need it, for your mountain bike also. So this is smaller than the other one that I have, and it does two things, not just inflate your tires, but it'll bump start you. You can probably just take this on a road trip too, even though I won't do that. I'm going to take my jump and carry also, and I'll probably take the Ion 2 compressor too, so we'll have all three of these things with us in the Jeep. This Jeep can handle that type of weight, but in the future you may just take this, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's a compressor, and a jump starter in one. Weighs about 2.5 pounds. So you're going to stick that in your backpack and you will be styling and profiling. Okay, right now we're considering doing a ride, and we want to test the camera on the selfie stick. And we're going to tuck our shirt in tonight and keep the weapon exposed, so we don't have to worry about that in this evening. And we got everything down in the thing. This is a short video right here till we get down to the garage. We're gonna lock up this room here. We're gonna go down to the garage and get it prepped and ready to go. There's a few things that we have to do. We have to get this camera installed for one thing. I'll show you the whole enchilada there once we get down to the garage. And yeah, I got that in one day. Beautiful, man. It's $110 for this thing, okay? But they made me join Prime for a week for $1.99. So now I'm gonna cancel it because I don't need it. But to be able, this has been in my basket, and when it went up to $189, I said, son of a bitch, because it was $109 for quite a while. But also, one thing that we do have to do, these are the clamps that it comes with. These clamps we're going to test them, make sure that they can clamp on to the terminals on the motorcycle, because if they can't, they're kind of thick. They're thick at the tip. I believe they will, but if they can't, I mean, basically all you have to do is connect. You have to be able to connect both of them, but you can probably find a nice ground spot for the other one to connect on. The major thing is to be able to connect the positive one. So we are going to go down. We're not going to do that tonight. We're focused, checking that connection, you know what I'm saying? But that thing, this Trekker is also a flashlight, which is bullshit, but it is. The main thing is it's a jump starter and compressor in one. You're just gonna you're gonna tie this off somehow, and it's always this thing is always gonna stay on it. So that's one of the main reasons why you bought it, is to be able to inflate your tires when you get a flat out in La La Land. But anyways, we're gonna head down to the garage. I'm just making sure I got everything. We're only gonna take one phone with us on this ride. We got our wallet, we got our weapon. We're gonna take the phone that the GoPro is hooked up to, I believe. We'll probably throw this other one inside of the fanny pack, or not fanny, did I say fanny pack? Side sling pack. We're gonna throw the other one into the tank bag, actually. So This is basically a test to see how the camera stabilization is. I did hook up a couple of bike lights to the pole that holds the camera, just in case there's not enough light on, say like you're on a dark road, you can hit those lights and that'll give the camera that much more light so you can see what's going on with me and stuff like that. So I mean, if we go on Lakeshore Drive, for example, it's dark out there, so all you're going to see is the headlight on the bike. But with these bike lights, even though they're red, you'll be able to see the bike, me, you know, my helmet per se, the mirrors and stuff like that. It'll give you the sensation that you're actually doing the riding. That's actually where we should go, is out on Lake Mead. Let me see what time it is. It's early. It's only 9:15. Okay, we're gonna shut you down right here, and we're gonna head on down to the garage. We don't need to take that with us today, and we're gonna get everything set up to go on the bike. I'm gonna put the camera up there. I'm actually gonna put a tagline on the stick, selfie stick, just in case it flicks off or something, or there's going to be a tagline on it also holding it. I mean, you're pretty much fucked if it flicks off and everything, but at least it won't maybe hit a car behind you. It's not going to come up, but you know what I'm saying? You just don't dangle a $400 camera at the end of a 3-foot selfie stick on the end of your bike for the first time, and you don't know if there's going to be an issue or not. There shouldn't be. I mean, that sucker is going to jiggle quite a bit, but that's what we're taking this ride for, to see how good it is. I mean, there's some roads, man, that are beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take my drink with me. Shook this light out. That's good there. Got the keys. Okay, good. We're gonna shut you down. We're gonna pick you up in the garage.